All right, guys. Today we did mixed numbers, multiplying mixed numbers, and remember, if you remember correctly, the key to that was to convert our mixed number into an improper fraction. Okay. So remember, we just want to do our whole number times our denominator plus, and that's a horrible multiplication sign. And I erased my plus sign instead. Alright, but we want to do times our denominator and add our numerator. So if I'm going to convert 1 7/8 from a mixed number to an improper fraction, I'm going to do 1 times 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. So that leaves me with 15 eighths times 4 fifths. Now, I said this in class today. Number 2 is an amazing representative of how we can cross reduce. Okay, I can very easily cross reduce it. If I look here, all right, 8 and 4, the greatest common factor between 8 and 4 is 4 itself. So I can cross out my 4 because I'm doing 4 divided by 4, and that becomes a 1. 8 divided by 4 is a 2. Now, that's 4 and 8. Well, look, I can do 5 and 15 as well. Some people ask me, well, can I do both? Yeah, you can do both as long as we're crossing, okay? So the 5 becomes a 1. I divided 5 by 5, and then 15 by 5, which gives me 3. Now, as I multiply across, okay, 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2, which gives me an answer of 3 over 2, or 3 halves. Now, if I sit there and I do the work, 2 goes into 3, 2 goes into 3 how many times? 2 goes in 3 one time. All right, and that's 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, with my denominator stayed the same. 1 and 1/2 is the answer for number 2. Let's look at one of these here. Let's do this one. It's double mixed numbers, so we're going to have to convert both improper fractions. So 3 times 4 is 12, right? 3 times 4 is 12, plus 3 gives me 15 fourths, times 2 times 5 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 fifths, okay? Once again, I can cross reduce, but for this one, let's look at this. If I don't cross reduce, okay, because I can, right? 5 and 15, 4 and 12, they both have a greatest common factor of 4. This one has a greatest common factor of 5, between 5 and 15. So I can go and multiply these across. That's 15 times 12. If you want to do the work and multiply that, that's fine. It's whatever 15 times 12 over 20 is. All right, but for me, I'm going to cross reduce. So let's change a different color this time. So let's use this color. Let's use green. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Look at how this is going to work out. 5 times 3 is 15. 1 times 1 is 1. So 15 over 1, which means my answer, all right, my answer should be what? My answer should be 15. Okay? Now, I'm looking at the book, and the book is telling me that is not right. 2 times 5 is 10, 12 fifths. So what am I missing? 12 fifths, 15 fourths. Guys, the book is telling me that the answer is 9 here, and I'm not seeing it. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 fourths. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at here. Look at here. 15 divided by 5 is not 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Oh, somebody could have got him a nice Jolly Rancher out of that. Okay, so Mr. Hearn messed that one up pretty good. Alright. So, yeah, like it hasn't happened in class before. Okay, so let's go back to the drawing board on this one. Alright, so 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 over 4. Okay, times 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 fifths. And if you catch this and you watch the video, let me know on Monday. I'll give you a Jolly Rancher. Alright, if you see it on the video, just say, hey, Mr. Hearn, I seen your video and you messed up. Alright, this becomes 3. This becomes 1. This becomes 3. This becomes 1, which gives me 9 over 1. And once again, the book trumps me, and the answer is 9. So if you're watching this this weekend, come in Monday morning, tell me you saw this, and I will give you a Jolly Rancher. Most of these here, the word problems, are pretty simple, guys. Most of them are pretty simple. We're going to, we're multiplying mixed numbers, so you guys can kind of figure out what you're going to be doing on these. If you have questions on them, let me know. Remember how we did the charts today? Venus from the sun, so 3/4 of this, right? So we're going to have to do some work. Just remember, we have to take our mixed numbers and turn them into improper fractions to do the math. That's the lesson for today, guys, and hopefully some of you catch me doing wrong. All right, see you guys on Monday.